Good day. I'm Krista Nicole Onaya, Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management 3-1. Good day. Today, we're taking you to a unique destination where science, culture, and cuisines beautifully converge. Welcome to the Science City of Muñoz, an exciting hub for science-based tourism, vibrant local culture, and delicious culinary experiences. Muñoz stands out as a center for educational tourism, where visitors can dive into the latest scientific advancement. Central to this are local research institutions, such as Philippine Carbo Center or the PCC, PhilRise, and the Central Luzon State University. This institution not only engage visitors with cutting-edge research in agriculture and science, but also provide immersive tours, workshop, and live demonstration, turning science into a hands-on learning experience. Visitors can interact with the very technologies and innovation that drive the city's agricultural advancement. From breakthrough in rice production to modern farming techniques, Muñoz really brings science in life. The Science City of Muñoz, Nueva Ecija is a unique blend of science-based tourism, cultural heritage, and local cuisine. Visitors can explore educational attractions like the Philippine Carbo Center, PhilRise, while also enjoying local specialties such as tilapia ice cream. The city's modern infrastructure and focus on sustainability make it an attractive destination. Tourism drives the local economy with key contribution from the government, educational institutions, businesses, NGOs, and local farmers. Technologies also plays a role in enhancing the visitor's experience, ensuring the Muñoz continues to grow as a dynamic and eco-friendly tourism destination. Here, for the analysis of partnership, the public-private partnerships, or the PPP, the City Tourism Office collaborates with local businesses like the hotels and the transportation like the TODA. This partnership improve accessibility, creating a job, and strengthen tourism infrastructure, benefiting the local economy. And for the community-based tourism, engage local, such as farmers and artisans, in creating authentic experience with ensuring they benefit from tourism's growth. And for the government partnership between NGOs and government agencies focus on sustainability and cultural preservation, protecting the environment. And for this, the Muñoz City Tourism Office also works with media and local businesses to promote the city's attraction, using both traditional and digital marketing to reach a wide audience. Best practices, engaging the community. Muñoz has been a leader in involving the community at various stages of tourism development. This caters a sense of pride among residents and ensures that tourism benefits everyone, from farmers to artisans. For the sustainability, the city focus on environmental and cultural sustainability has made it a model for responsible tourism. Collaboration between NGOs, government agency, and the private sectors ensures that growth doesn't come at the expense of the city's natural and cultural resources. And for the leverage local asset, the Muñoz has done a great job of turning its unique asset, such as its agriculture tourism, sites and cultural tradition, into key tourism attraction. This strategy not only boosts tourism but also support locals, businesses, and preserves the city's identity. And for the recommendation, We recommend the expanding or the expand the science experience. Munoz has made great strides in showcasing its scientific institution. There's a room to make this experience even more engaging. Plus, hands-on exhibits, interactive workshop, or science-related events like festival could attract more visitors, especially families, students, and science enthusiasts. This would allow tourists to dive deeper into the city's innovation and research culture. And for the next, enhance accessibility and infrastructure. And for the city has already solid infrastructure, but there's always room for improvement. We recommend eco-friendly transport options like e-bike or the e-bus, or it would make getting around easier and more sustainable. And plus, the expanding spaces for large event or international conferences could help boost Muñoz visibility as a destination for global visitors and businesses tourism. And also, I want to add that dapat po mai i-ano na rin, mai-approve na rin na bawal na rin pong dumaan ang mga na bawal na rin pong dumaan ang mga malalaking trucks ng and for the strengthened community involvement, one of Muñoz's key strengths is how it actively involves the local community in tourism. To build on this, there could be more opportunities for locals to share their culture and traditions. Events like farm to table experience, local craft fairs, or cultural festival could offer tourists an authentic, immersive experience while benefiting the communities. Collaborating with schools and young people would also help instill a sense of ownership and pride in the city's tourism growth. And for the last, promote sustainable agritourism. Since agriculture is a major part of Muñoz's identity, there is potential to expand agritourism by offering more sustainable farming experience. Tourists could learn about organic farming methods, the importance of local produce, and how agriculture ties into environmental conservation. This could include workshops, farm tours, and hands-on activities at local farms like Future Rice Farm, which would help tourists understand the role of agriculture and sustainability while supporting local farmers. And for the lastly, the conclusion. Science City of Muñoz stand out as a tourism destination, not just for its attraction, but for the way its community and stakeholders come together to support its growth. Here, tourism is not just about visiting, it's about experiencing the essence of agriculture and scientific innovation. Whether you're exploring the Philippine Carabao Center or indulging in local culinary wonders like tilapia ice cream, Muñoz offers something truly unique. What makes Muñoz exceptional is how its stakeholder works together to make tourism impactful. The local government lays the groundwork with supported policies and infrastructure, while institutions like CLSU and PhilRise turns science and agriculture into engaging experiences. Farmers and artisans bring life to the city's identity with their culture and crafts, while businesses ensures visitors feel welcome. Even NGOs and tourists plays a role, ensuring that tourism remains sustainable and meaningful. The beauty of Muñoz lies in this collective effort. It is a proof that when a community comes together with a shared vision, tourism can become a powerful tool for growth, preserving culture and promoting sustainability. The city is not just growing, it's thriving, and everyone involved is part of the success story. Thank you so much.